Good morning, my lovely people. It's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisi. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how I go to work on a project. If you are a professional, if you are a corporate lady and you're watching my videos and you're trying to save this year, but it's very difficult, especially where work is concerned. Here's how I do it. Here's how I go to work on a very is it cheap, affordable budget, I would say. So I'm going to share with you like the food and also my attire. So every the day I go to the office, I bring with me my lunch. So this would be my lunch for the day. And also I love to have snacks, but I choose to have healthy snacks. So around 9:30 10 a.m. I have a banana, and then around 2:30 3 p.m. I have a fruit of choice. This week I'll be having apples, and yeah, I make things very affordable. I'm using this bag. I'll show you. I pack my lunch here in this plastic bag. I know what you are saying. Get a lunch box. Don't worry about it. You know, the reason I put it in a plastic bag is because when I get to the office, I have to put it in the common refrigerator. So, but then I have this lovely little yellow bag which I love. I think I have had this thing since 2020. It says positive vibes, so that's why I like it. And I put it right here along with my banana and my apples. So right here my lunch bag is all set. I take with me to the office lunch every day. So on Sunday I prepare enough food and I dish it out in 3 different containers so I can be ready for the work week. I feel so happy in the morning when I can just open the refrigerator, take a bowl of food and put it in my backpack. So guys, another thing I do is that I eat breakfast at home. Yes, I eat breakfast at home. And Jacksonville makes it easier for me to do that because on my way to the office there is no shops, there is no cafe, nothing. So I have to, and I'm happy because I can get to prepare my own food and my own breakfast and eat healthy. Most days I eat oatmeal in the morning. Today I feel a little lazy. I guess it's because I have a substitute. I purchased a box of croissant, so I'll have a croissant with coffee. So coffee is ready, very quick. So it's very early, it's not even 6:30 as yet. So I'll just sit down and enjoy my coffee and then I will come back and we will talk about my office attire. It's on a budget also, so we will talk about it after my breakfast. So let's talk about my office attire. So I think that is one of the most important things for many women. It's their attire, because women love to look very beautiful. But today I'm going to describe to you what I'm wearing, how long I have it, and where did I purchase it. You know now, the work situation has changed for many of us. Most of us work on a hybrid system where we work part-time in the office and part-time at home. But so for me, I haven't purchased office clothes since 2020, and thanks to the hybrid work situation, yeah, that has happened. So let me start with my top. I have this top since 2018. I got it on Shein. I think most likely I got this top less than $15. My lovely skirt I got at TJ Maxx. I also feel that this skirt was less than $20. I purchased this skirt in 2020. I love it so much. It is a pleated skirt. It's also, I'm not sure what material it is, like a sheer material, but it has a lining under, and it's very, very lovely. I know it's like two patterns. This is like a snake pattern, and this is like a polka dot pattern, but I'm the type of person that I don't follow trends, I don't follow fashion rules. I just do my own thing. Once it looks very lovely to me, I wear it. So guys, let's talk about what I'm wearing on my hand. I am wearing this lovely wristwatch from Amazon. I think I got this for less than $40. I just think it is just appropriate for the office, so I love it a lot. And as for earrings, guys, I am not a huge fan of earrings at all. I have never been. So if I do wear earrings, it's just something very dainty, very small. Yeah, so that's earrings for me. I think the most expensive thing for many women, especially women like myself, is our hair. Oh my god, my hair can cost me fortunes. Let me give you a quick story. Last week I made an appointment to get my hair braided at the salon, and I still wasn't comfortable, simply because of the cost. It cost about $220 to get my hair braided, but I made the appointment anyway. And to justify making the appointment, I said, you know what, I'm tired. I just want to sit down and have somebody do it for me, because most times I do it myself. And so Saturday morning I woke up early at 5 a.m. and I just decided, you know what, I'm not going to the salon. I'm going to get my hair braided myself. And I did. I was able to accomplish this lovely braided hair. I really love it a lot. As you can see, it turned out very well. It will last me for 1 month, and I saved about $220 for just doing it. So I saved quite a fortune there, so I'm so happy. Sometimes, you know, if you want to get things on a budget, become a little self-sufficient and see, you know, areas you can cut cost, such as doing your own hair. Yeah, just try to be self-sufficient, and look in your closet and just put things together. It doesn't have to be you know any rule and say, oh, you cannot wear patterns with different patterns, or this is old. And once it's decent, it's appropriate, you feel professional, you feel good, just wear it. So after I get dressed and I feel comfortable, I feel beautiful, I love to top my outfit with something very, very beautiful. And for me, I consider that quiet luxury, and that is wearing perfume. I love perfumes. I love to smell very beautiful. So today the perfume for the week is by Galan, and it's Mon Galan. So I'm gonna wear that. Now we are just gonna wear shoe, and I will show you. So that's my attire, that's the shoes. Ta-da! There you have it. Yeah, so this is my shoes also. I think I had those shoes since 2019. Yeah, I really love it. And also I have my backpack, which I got on Amazon. My umbrella is here, a bottle of water. Let me show you the whole outfit. I wear the bag like this. I wear it like this. Or most times I wear it like this. Like this. So this is me. What do you think? So that's it. That's the whole outfit. Very, very, very lovely today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more. Tell me what types of videos you would like me to show you. Oh, one thing I didn't tell you. Another big saving tip for me is that I walk to the office. So I walk to work. It's about 7 minutes walk, and yeah, I enjoy it. It saves me money, and it also serves as a form of exercise, so I really like that. So yeah, tell me what you think. All on the budget, and you look professional, you look smart, you look like you're the boss. So have a nice week ahead.